Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, as we are doing chapter number 3, that is subtraction. So, today we will solve these sums that you can see here, means your worksheet of this chapter, in which you have some of the fill in the blanks where all the facts are written together. Here you are subtracting 0 also, you are subtracting the same number, subtracting 1 also. So let us start. Like in question number 1, you can see that we have 56 minus 0. That means subtraction of 0 from 56. And while solving sums, we have learnt that if we are subtracting 0 from the number, then it will not affect our answer. Our answer means the number from which we are subtracting will remain the answer. 0 means nothing. So we are subtracting nothing from the number. So the answer will remain same. That means the answer will remain 56. If there is any other number except 56, then also we will just write the same number, because we are just subtracting 0 from the number. Now in second part, what we are doing, we are just subtracting the same number. That means here we are subtracting 88 from 88. That means we are subtracting the same number. So here our answer will be 0, right? If we will just arrange this in the column, then also we will get the same answer. 8 minus 8, both 8 are at 1's place, so this is 0. And on 10's place also we have the same number, that means 0. That is why it is your fact that if you are subtracting the same number, you will get the answer as 0. Let us move towards the next question, that is question number 3. And in this question, you are subtracting 1 from the number. And subtraction of 1 from the number, that means you are just calculating the number that comes just before 71. Means predecessor of 71, the number that just comes before 71. That is why the answer is 70. Like when you subtract, when you just find out the number that comes just before 71, so that number will be 70. Move towards the next question, and that is question number 4. Now in this question, you can see here we have the answer. These three are our answers, and here we have to find out the numbers from which we are subtracting. Like which number should be subtracted here so that our answer is 57. Now we can relate these questions. In the previous one we were subtracting 0, that is why our answer was same. Similarly, here in this question we have the answer 57. That means we are subtracting 0 from 57. So here our answer will be 57, because we are not subtracting anything. That is why our answer is 57. Means 57 is the number itself from which we have subtracted 0. So you can correlate all these questions by keeping some of the small points in your mind regarding subtraction. Move towards the next question, and that is dash minus 1 is equal to 69. Now in this case, subtraction of 1 means the answer after subtraction we have got the answer 69. Now what we will do? In the previous case, we have just calculated the number by subtracting 1, because there we were calculating the number that comes just before 71. And in this case, after subtraction, our answer is 69. Means what we have done? We have just subtracted 1 from the number, and after subtraction we have the answer. means in this case we will calculate the number that comes just after 69. That is why our answer is 70 here. Right. Now in the next part where we have this box and you have to calculate the number that is to be written here, and you are subtracting 45 from that number, and after subtracting 45 you have the same answer, and that is 0. Means in question number 2 you can see when you have subtracted the same number then your answer was 0. Means similarly in this question when you are subtracting the same number, that means when you are subtracting 45 from 45, that is why your answer is 0. So here now you can see that your answer is 0. Right. I hope all these 6 questions, these 6 blanks are clear to everyone. Now I'm just sending you an assignment, means the remaining worksheet that you will complete. So just read out the blank very carefully, keep all these things in the mind and send back your assignments, and let us quickly recapitulate. So when you are subtracting 0 from the number, your answer is same, your answer is number itself. When you are subtracting the same number, then you have 0, right? And when you are subtracting 1, that means you are to calculate the number that comes just before 71. That is why I have written 70 here. Just before means predecessor of 71 is 70. In the next question we have 57 minus 0. Now again you are subtracting nothing, that means you have the answer 57. So after subtraction you have got the same number, and that is 57. And in the next question you have minus 1, means you have already subtracted 1, that is why your answer is 69. So in this case when you are to calculate the number, you will just add 1 to the answer because you have already subtracted that. That is why your answer is 70. And in the next question again you have the answer 0. It means you have subtracted the same number, 45 minus 45, that is 0. Similarly in the second question you have subtracted the same number, that is why your answer is 0 here also. Now I think all these things are clear to everyone. So now it's your turn. Just complete your worksheets and send your answers. Thank you kids. Have a nice day.